Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is She. And yeah, I know I've not posted in the last 2 months, but I'm so sorry guys, I am back now. So I've just moved into my new hostel room, but I don't like it that much. My previous room was way better. I think the colors Zai room are just not giving the best, but it's okay. Easy handprints hasn't Bambi at all. And that side of the wall is so dirty. I don't know why. Plus, okay, huku kwingine kuko sawa. And then hizo hangers, I came with them yesterday, and I also brought in some containers and my flowers yesterday also. Don't mind the part. That's where I'll mount my mirror, so it will look different. And then yeah, don't worry, I'll just decorate it ndio ikae better. And then here's my seat and my view. It's pretty nice, by the way. Napenda nature. Plus this curtain, I also came with it yesterday. So yeah, let me first make my bed and arrange some stuff. So it's like, I think 2 hours later. Okay, I'm so tired. Like, unpacking is a lot of work, but I've done the most of it. I think I'll just continue tomorrow. But before that, I want to show you guys something that I got. It's something that I've been wanting to get for the longest time, adi last year when I was staying in my other room, but sijui mbona, but I think this was the perfect time. So I got 2 things from that shop. So I've been wanting to get these storage baskets for the longest in white. Now easy zile just normal ones, like they're just so cute. Plus we sijui naona tu zikika poa. So I bought 2 of them. One nataka ikuwe ya kustore my makeup products and lotions. And this other one itakuwa like a small kitchen part. Itakuwa tuna maybe spreads, coffee, sugar. It's so cute guys. Guys, nakwambia tu, like this year, this is my year guys, like this year. Okay, but then I turned 21 during the holiday, so this is my year. 21 years is my year guys. I think waliseal sana because they had to pack it again after niliona. So bear with me guys kidogo. I got the 4-in-1 toaster. So I had money to buy a normal toaster like for the longest, I think by last semester. But then I saw a 4-in-1 toaster and I was like, let me just wait, like ningoje tu until I have enough money to get the 4-in-1 toaster, because it's perfect. It's perfect. Iko na hizi za kumake waffles. Hii set ni ya kumake donuts. Then it has the grill, alafu inside the toaster itself. Guys, I'm so happy. Like, I've been wanting to get myself a toaster for the longest, like, because honestly I don't like bread, like just bread. Napenda mkate, but imefanywa tu something, just not normal bread. So inside tuko sasa na ya kutoast mkate. So easy nilizitoa. Let me just plug you guys because I am in love with this page. Na inauza everything nice. Plus I'll go back by the way. Lazima nirudi hapo because household items zao wase, they're just epic. So inaitwa Elegant Households. I'll tag the handle in case you wanna check it out. So yeah, I'll be having waffles for breakfast guys. Okay.
imeharibika.
Mimi ningepa kwa sky msee. Sasa uta print tena ama?
Oh. Siacha wewe kazi za nini hapa? Nini hapa? Konga kamera shy.
Okay, hadi mimi. Venye. Hizi ndogo na hizi zingine.
Hii ndogo moja hapo juu, ingine hapa.
Hakuna venye tunaweza kama hizi majina. Hizi majina zinaniboa.
Aitaka barua nako kadogo, hebu try kukaeka hapo.
Hapa.
Hapo na ingine hapo juu. Hapo
It's working. Sawa. I think nitabuy more frames juu Morning guys, so it's the next day. I want to go to Naivas. I'm a Carrefour. I'll just go to Naivas. I need to buy shopping and yeah, so I'll see you guys. So I'm carrying this tote bag, you all know it, I had it last time. I've just put in shopping bags because I don't want to buy shopping bags. Iyo cost ya shopping bags huniuma, but yeah, so I'll see you guys once I am back. Bye. So I've just gotten back to my hostel room and yeah, so I went and had breakfast and then I went to do my shopping. So this one has the my room is near the bathrooms, guys, don't mind the background sound. So this one has the non-foodstuffs and this one has the foodstuffs, and yeah, also I had to buy this container itakuwa ya kuweka pegs. I also had to buy pegs and then spoons. I forgot spoons. How would I forget spoons? Like ningechukua to home, but I've had to buy again. And things are so expensive, especially sugar. Like karibu tu ni sare. Like, tulifika hapo aje? But okay. Plus I got these wall stickers. I want to stick my mirror. I hope they're strong enough. Yeah, I just want to take a bath and pack everything. So behind penye kuna hangers, behind like up on ndani, there's some storage spaces, so that's why I store my shopping. Alafu the tea bags and coffees, I have some containers that I brought from home, so I'll just pack the sachets up on ndani. Yeah. To be honest, I am in love with how this part turned out. So this container nitakuwa naeka tu fruits maybe, and then this one is my gratitude jar. I started when I was at home, like when I wake up I just write one thing that I am grateful for, and then I stopped, but I'll continue. And then this one is where I just put my pens and stuff, and then here's the basket. So as I told you guys, one was meant to be my kitchen area, my kitchen small part and this other one ni ya kustore makeups and lotions. Yeah, so this is how I arranged it. So I have the tea bags, the Prestige. Here I have the black coffee sachets. Here I have the sugar, and here I have the white coffee sachet. Yeah, and then here my makeups, lotion and gel, hair gel, body oil, hairspray, makeups, and I have my spray. I have 2 of them this time. So yeah, so this one I'll just place it here over this part of the window, and this other one, okay, it's heavy, right here. Yep. Yesterday I put my vision board up here, but sijui mbona inajifold, and then I have my vine, one of it, and then the other one I'll just put it along the mirror. Yeah, I'm thinking of sticking the stickers that I had last time, but I'm not sure whether to place them here or his side. Yeah, so let me mount my mirror and then I'll show you guys the turnout. So guys, I think I've now settled in. I think I'm now fine. Here's my mirror, and yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and leave a like and a comment, and stay tuned for more uni diaries episodes. And yeah, bye guys.